Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home, yet it's often overlooked until a problem appears. In Rochester Hills, where homes are exposed to changing seasons, heavy snow, rain, and temperature fluctuations, regular roof maintenance is essential. Taking a proactive approach not only protects your home but also saves you money and stress in the long run. One of the biggest benefits of proper roof maintenance is preventing costly damage. Small issues like missing shingles, minor leaks, or clogged gutters may seem insignificant at first, but they can quickly turn into major problems if left unaddressed. Water intrusion, for example, can damage insulation, ceilings, and even structural components. Routine inspections and maintenance help catch these issues early, allowing for simple and affordable repairs. Rochester Hills experiences a wide range of weather conditions, which makes seasonal wear and tear a common concern. Winter snow and ice can put extra weight on your roof, while spring and summer storms can bring heavy rain and strong winds. Regular maintenance ensures your roof is prepared to handle these conditions. Clearing debris, checking for damage, and reinforcing vulnerable areas can make a big difference in how well your roof performs throughout the year. Another important advantage is extending the lifespan of your roof. Roof replacements can be a significant investment, so getting the most out of your current roof is a priority for many homeowners. Proper maintenance helps preserve roofing materials and prevent premature deterioration. By addressing minor issues early and keeping your roof in good condition, you can add years to its lifespan. Energy efficiency is another area where roof maintenance plays a role. A well-maintained roof helps regulate indoor temperatures by keeping heat in during colder months and out during warmer months. Damaged or poorly maintained roofs can lead to air leaks and reduced insulation effectiveness, which forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder. Keeping your roof in good condition helps maintain a comfortable indoor environment while reducing energy costs. Roof maintenance also helps protect your home from moisture-related problems. In areas like Rochester Hills, where rain and snow are common, moisture can easily become an issue if your roof isn't properly maintained. Leaks and poor drainage can lead to mold, mildew, and wood rot. Regular inspections ensure that flashing, seals, and drainage systems are functioning correctly, keeping your home dry and safe. Another key benefit is improved safety. A damaged roof can pose risks not only to your home but also to your family. Loose shingles or weakened structures can become hazards during storms. Routine maintenance helps identify and fix these issues before they become dangerous, giving you peace of mind. Maintaining your roof also contributes to your home's curb appeal and overall value. A clean, well-kept roof enhances the appearance of your property and shows that it has been properly cared for. If you ever decide to sell your home, potential buyers will appreciate a roof that is in good condition, which can make your property more attractive in the market. Gutter maintenance is another important part of roof care. Clogged gutters can cause water to back up and damage your roof and foundation. Regular cleaning ensures proper water flow, protecting both your roof and the rest of your home from water-related issues. Professional inspections are a valuable part of any maintenance plan. While homeowners can handle basic upkeep, trained professionals can spot issues that may not be immediately visible. They can provide recommendations and perform necessary repairs to keep your roof in top condition. Ultimately, proper roof maintenance is about being proactive rather than reactive. Instead of waiting for problems to arise, regular care helps you stay ahead of potential issues. This approach not only protects your home but also reduces the likelihood of unexpected repairs. For homeowners in Rochester Hills, investing time in roof maintenance is a smart decision. It ensures your home stays protected, comfortable, and efficient throughout the year. By taking care of your roof today, you're safeguarding your home for the future.